Global warming. It is a hot topic that has captured the imagination of Washington and Hollywood. An inconvenient truth, based on former Vice President Al Gore's views, won an Academy Award in 2006. It is a frequent subject of heated political debate, and although it divides political parties, no one can deny that it's a real phenomenon. These are the facts. Over the past century, Earth's average temperature has risen 1.4 degrees Fahrenheit. Experts predict it will rise 2 to 11.5 degrees Fahrenheit over the next century. Glaciers are melting, and sea levels have risen nearly 400 feet since the last ice age. Humans have seen dramatic changes in weather and climate. We will continue to face more floods, droughts, which will threaten food supplies, and oppressive heat waves. Scientists speculate that disease and bacteria will flourish due to the rising temperatures. The rate of climate change is happening faster than some living things can adapt to. It's no wonder that global warming has gotten a bad name. But it is important to know that the so-called greenhouse effect is necessary for human life. The thin atmospheric layer of natural gases that surround Earth protect our planet from the heat of the sun and the cold of space. For thousands of years, Earth's temperature has only fluctuated slightly. But in recent years, humans have upset this harmony by introducing excess greenhouse gases into the environment. Let's take a look at the process. Natural greenhouse gases include carbon dioxide, CO2, methane, CH4, nitrous oxide, N2O, and the commonly known water vapor, H2O. Humans have tampered with that natural balance as a consequence of modern life. The hot sun is constantly penetrating the Earth's atmosphere with its high-energy, short wavelengths. Some of the sunlight is absorbed and trapped by greenhouse gases, while roughly 30% of this energy bounces back into space. It is simple. More greenhouse gases equals more trapped heat. The Earth is cooler than the sun, so the emitted energy takes the form of infrared radiation. Infrared radiation has longer wavelengths than the solar energy that comes in. Greenhouse gases trap this long-wave energy. It cannot escape, and instead warms the Earth's surface, causing global warming. This process has been accelerated over the past 2 centuries. Why? Because since the Industrial Revolution, humans have been burning fossil fuels and creating excess greenhouse gases. And the problem has been compounded by deforestation, which deprives Earth of trees and plants that would otherwise take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Trees and plants were nature's way of keeping the balance intact, but modern life has once again intervened. For example, if you drive a car, you are contributing to the problem. The gas in your tank is mixing with oxygen gas and a lot of heat, through combustion, to fuel your car, but the products of the chemical reaction are water vapor and CO2. It's no wonder we have increased the amount of CO2 in the atmosphere by more than a third since the advent of cars and power plants, which burn other fossil fuels. People argue that global warming is natural, but the fact is, what historically took thousands of years to occur is now occurring over the course of a lifetime. Here is what you can do to help. 1. Recycle to cut back on pollution. 2. Switch to Energy Starlight light bulbs to reduce greenhouse gases. 3. Work to increase the efficiency of your heating and air conditioning systems and insulate your home. 4. Conserve as much water as possible. 5. Compost when possible. And 6. Install solar panels on the roofs of homes and businesses. I hope you can see that global warming isn't just some Hollywood fantasy. It's a real problem which you can help us solve. Tell a friend, reduce your carbon footprint.